ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयो अस्ति 58 अभ्यास इत्यत्र द्वितीयभागः। उदाहरणवाक्यानि। षड् ऋतवः सन्ति वसन्तः ग्रीष्मादयः। अर्थ
So 6 ritus.
हाँ,
There are 6 ritus. 6 ऋतुएं हैं. So therefore the ऋतवः is बहुवचनम. And then you have vasantah of course and grishma adayah. So for adayah we have to include varsha, sharad,
सम्यक्
hemantah, shitah.
सम्यक् सत्यं। How bad is my Wi-Fi? Is it okay? Or should I change? I can't change. Should I change?
No. Abaji gave thumbs up. You're good.
Okay. अस्तु द्वितीय देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्तात् पटुतरः. So here they have used panchami. Earlier we have seen बहवः अभ्यासेषु वयं दर्शितः और दृष्टः ग्रन्थेन इति पंचमी तृतीया विभक्ति अपि साधन अर्थे अस्ति. तो अत्र यज्ञदत्तात् इति स्थाने यज्ञदत्तेन अपि सम्यक् अस्ति वा न वा? Instead of यज्ञदत्तात्.
You're asking whether we can do tritiya or not.
सम्यक्. यज्ञदत्तात् इति स्थाने यज्ञदत्तेन इति शब्दः सम्यक् अस्ति वा न वा? अस्ति वा न वा? Correct or not?
No, amongst मतलब पंचमी ही होना चाहिए.
सम्यक्. पंचमी इति एव सम्यक् अस्ति. पंचमी एव सम्यक् अस्ति. केवलं पंचमी सम्यक् अस्ति. तृतीया सम्यक् नास्ति. पटुतरः कृषत.
यज्ञदत्त से कुशल है, कमजोर है, छोटा है शरीर में, डरपोक है, कोमल भी है.
सम्यक्. तो अत्र पटुतरः इति शब्दस्य पर्यायवाची अप्राक्सिमेट्ली पर्यायवाची किं शब्दः अस्ति? कस्मिन् शब्दमस्ति? पटुतरः इति स्थाने वयं किं वदितुं शक्नुमः?
अधिक कुशलः ऐसा?
अथवा एकः अन्यप्रत्ययः अपि भवति. कस्मिन् प्रत्ययः? तरप् इति स्थाने.
This is tarap, na? What has been done is tarap.
So you can say that patiyan or something. Patiyan the yesun.
सम्यक्. ईयसुन् प्रत्यय. पटुतरः और पटीयः. पटीयान because it will have to be pulling, na? Patutarah will be patiyan. Samyak. The same way others also. Lakrishiyan, Lagiyan, etc. Bhiyan, Vidiyan. कालिदासः कवीनां कविषु वा बुद्धिमत्तमः पटुतमः योग्यतमश्चासीत्. बुद्धिमत्तमः में कस्मिन् प्रत्यय अस्ति? अपि च
Apicha, it will be that other one, Ishtan.
Ishtan will be Shrestha, na? Yaha atra Shrestha.
Yeah.
No, so
Correct.
apicha means in the same shabda what else is there. Apicha you can take athava will be ishtan. We will have to that then it will be buddhishtan or something. The buddhima no, but I'll give it away if I say the word. In buddhimattamaha, which along with tama pratyaya ek aur pratyaya kasmin. There is one more pratyaya.
Okay, so पहले बुद्धि से बुद्धिमत शब्द बना है और उससे बुद्धिमत्तमः हुआ है.
हाँ.
So the question is how did बुद्धिमत come, है ना?
हाँ, सत्यम. Question satyam, answer kim?
Buddhimat will come from that Matu Pratyaya, won't it?
Satyam, correct. Matup.
Yeah.
So buddhimat has come from matup and then tamaha, tamap. Tama pratyaya sutra is, today it came in Gita also. For Ishtan it came.
Yeah. Tama Pratyaya Atishayane Tama Ishtan.
Tamabishta, now, samyak. And matup pratyaya kasmin sutra asti? Matup. Sutramasti.
मतुप तदस्यास्त्यस्मिन्निति मतुप.
Samyak. तदस्यास्त्यस्मिन् इति मतुप. तद अस्या अस्ति अस्मिन् इति मतुप. सम्यक. तो बुद्धिमत्तमा में दोनों हैं. कालिदासा कवीनाम कविषु. कवीनाम कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति? कवीनाम
Bahuvachanam and it will be Kavinam.
So kavishu is what? If kavinam is saptami, then kavishu is
Shashti.
opposite.
Kavishu is Saptami. So Kavinam would be, I think, Dvitiya.
Nahi, kavinam is shashti. Kavinam kavishu shashti and saptami.
Yeah, Shashti or Saptami, we can use either.
हाँ, इसके लिए वाह है ना. हाँ, कवीनाम कविषु वाह. So kavishu, this shakara, murdhanya shakara, this is always going to be saptami. Yeah? In saptami, this there was a niyama that sa and sha. I think there was a niyama adesha pratyaya yoho. About a few months ago, I think in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, this question had come up. Through which sutra in Saptami Vibhakti Sakara becomes Murdhanya Shakara. This is a sutra called Adesha Pratyayoho. Atra, ye wale. What is number? 8359. Vakshu. See? Patishyati. Murdhanya Shakara. Sishecha. Murdhanya Shakara. Ye Murdhanya Shakara. Dhanushu. So Adesha Pratyayoho. See? Shakara. Converted to Shakara. Murdhanya Shakara. Same is happening here. Asto. Yogyatamasya. Yogyatamasya asit. He was. Krishnaha. Chatranam chatreshu va patutamaha. तो छात्रेषु कस्मिन् विभक्ति? टू इजी.
अभी हम according to that सप्तमी. कविषु जैसा छात्रेषु.
हाँ जी. और सूत्र it should be छात्रेषु, but it's not. It's छात्रेषु. Why?
Yeah, because of Adesha. We just saw.
हाँ, आदेश.
Adesha. Yeah, it will come.
ऐसे ढूंढना है आदेश.
This will repeat. This is one of those popular sutras.
आदेश प्रत्ययोः.
Samyak. Adesha Pratyayoho. That sutra is making a note on this.
59.
That number is not valuable. Adesha Pratyayoho is valuable. Panchama. Rama Kamalayaha Patutara. Kamalayaha Kasmin Vibhakti Asti.
पंचमी कमला से.
Kamala. Why? But here they had given Yajnadattat. So why not Kamalat? Strilinga. Samyak. Pullinga Yajnadattat, Strilinga Kamalaya. Shashta.
That is why Patutaraha has also become Patutara.
Correct. Yes, because Rama is Strilinga. Patutara. Shyama Chatrasu. You see here Su only, not Shu.
Yeah.
Shyama Chatrasu Patutama Asti. So this Dvayor Ekaha or Bahunam Ekaha?
Patutama. Uttam. Bahu. Because one in many.
Bahu matlab Bahunam Ekaha. One among many.
Correct. Why is it Chatra Su instead of Chatra?
Why? Correct. Good question. Why is it Chatra Su? It should be Chatra Shu only.
It should be Chatra Shu only.
What is the
Krishna and Shama में लिंग का भेद है.
So what is the Beda? Linga ka Beda Satyam. So which Linga is this?
स्त्रीलिंग.
Samyak. Correct.
Krishna.
Shyama Patutama. So Chatrasu. Strilinga Beda. Chatreshu Chatrasu. So Linga Krishna. Samyak. Sanskrita बनाओ. प्रथमा एक वर्ष में 6 ऋतुएं होती है. This only same. So एक वर्ष में, how to say this?
एकः वर्षे.
एकस्मिन् वर्षे.
एकस्मिन् वर्षे is better because varshe is saptami, so it is better to say ekasmin.
Okay.
Ekah varshah ekasmin varshe. वसंत ऋतु को ऋतुराज कहते हैं संस्कृत भाषायां.
वसंत ऋतुः ऋतुराजः कथ्यते.
वसंत ऋतुः ऋतुराजः कथ्यते. इज दिस कर्तृवाच्य और कर्मवाच्य?
कहते हैं कर्मवाच्य. प्रथम विभक्ति में यूज किया ना. ठीक
है, कर्मवाच्य. तो कर्मवाच्य में कर्ता कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति? कर्ता कर्तु कर्मवाच्य. In कर्मवाच्य कर्ता विभक्ति will be
तो कर्तृवाच्य. Sorry.
Okay, wait. So in कर्मवाच्य कर्ता will be in which vibhakti? Tritiya. Tritiya. Satyam. So if you say kathyate, vasanta rituhu ऋतुराजः कथ्यते.
Prathama. So this is कर्तृवाच्य.
So you use pratama. Then why you cannot say kathyate? Because kathyate is karmavachya.
Oh, okay.
So which should you use? See, you mixed up both. You took pratama vibhakti from kartrivachya and this kriyapada from karmavachya. Vasanta rituhu riturajam kathayanti, you can say. Or vasanta ऋतुना it will become vasanta ऋतुना ऋतुराजः kathyate. Because then if you take क्या बोलते हैं कथ्यन्ते rather कहते हैं. If you take कर्मवाच्य then karma will be in pratama and karta will be tritiya.
ऋतुम also like on the ऋतु कार्य वैसे भी कर सकते हैं.
वसंत ऋतु और ऋतु. वसंत ऋतु then
no ऋतु. Can we do like that also?
No, how can you see here? Vasanta Ritu is karta or karma? Which is it? Which is it?
कहते हैं.
तो वसंत ऋतु को कर्ता लेंगे या कर्म? वसंत ऋतु is called ऋतुराज. So वसंत ऋतु is what? कर्ता or karma? वसंत ऋतु is mean, no, karta. The topic, the subject of the sentence is what? Is it Rituraja or Vasanta Ritu?
वसंत ऋतु.
So it is karta. Now karta, in kartrivachya, karta is in prathama. In karmavachya, karta is in tritiya. In bhavavachya, karta is in tritiya. Is karta ever in dvitiya? No. So you cannot say vasanta ritum. Either you say vasanta ritu. Can't hear you. Hold on. Can you hear now? Can you hear now?
Yes.
And it says you lost your internet connection. You and I'm okay now, right? I'm audible now.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Can you see the screen also?
Screen is a bit blurry, but it's okay.
I think it'll
We
improve.
are on number 2.
Yeah,
that
no
much we can
worries.
see. And
Yeah,
we're using our notebooks as well.
Yeah, sure, that's good. So it may get better because I've got 5G 4 bars suddenly. May get better, we'll see. So Vasanta Ritu, jaha, see karta, if it is kartrivachya, karta is going to be prathama vibhakti. If it is karmavachya, karta is going to be tritiya vibhakti. In bhavavachya, karta is going to be tritiya vibhakti. Is karta ever in dvitiya vibhakti? No. So you cannot say Vasanta Rutum.
Okay.
Because here Vasanta Ritu is subject if we accept. Then Vasanta Ritu, that karta is never going to be Dvitiya. So it is either Vasanta Ritu or Ritu, Prathama, Pullinga, Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda, so Guruna jaise Rituna. You can check this, For example, you take Tritiya over here. Shabda Pata. Ritu, Ukaranta Pullinga, है ना? And now Rituna. This will come if we take Karmavachya. Ritu, Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Rituna. And Rituhu is Prathama Ekavachanam. Ritum is Dvitiya Ekavachanam. However, ऋतुराज वसंत ऋतु को कहते हैं. In this way, if you take, then you can take Vasanta Ritu as karma.
ऋतुराज इस करते वसंत ऋतु पे कार्य हो रहा है.
So Vasanta Ritu, correct. Sorry.
Too many people speaking at the same time. I can't hear.
Okay. So Vasanta Ritu में कार्य हो रहा है. So here Vasanta Ritu you take as karma, है ना? If you take Vasanta Ritu in this sentence, Vasanta Ritu को ऋतुराज कहते हैं, तो ऋतुराज वसंत ऋतु को कहते हैं. तो you take Vasanta Ritu as karma. In that way, it will become Ritu. We just have to see in that sentence, is it going to be which is the karta and which is the karma. So I guess you are correct in this, that in the second sentence, Vasanta Ritu will be karma and Rituraja you take as karta, because Vasanta Ritu mein Ritu ko, like that it is coming. So Vasanta Ritum Riturajam Katyante, you can take. The trick is, don't mix up the dhatu, that is the kriya pada that is supposed to be in karma vachya, and the karta which will be in kartrivachya. This will never happen. Either we take both in kartrivachya or take both in karma vachya. Can you hear now? No?
So finally, Vasant Ritum.
Ritum. But can. So Vasanta Ritum Katayanti. Right. Or Vasanta Rituhu katyate. Right? My network is horrible. Vasanta Rituhu, if you take Vasanta Rituhu, it is going to be Katyate. Vasanta Ritum Kathayanti. I hope it's okay. Okay, if it's not clear, please interrupt me. Vasanta Rituhu Katyate. Vasanta Ritum Kathayanti. Okay. Tritiya. I don't know. I don't remember if that's what you said, Abaji. If that's what you said, you are correct. Vasanta Rituhu Katyate. Vasanta Ritum Kathayanti. तृतीया, वसंत में सभी वृक्ष और लताएं. ओके, यू आर करेक्ट. वसंत में सभी वृक्ष और लताएं फल फूल से युक्त होती हैं.
वसंते सर्वाणि वृक्षाणि लताः च अनेक पुष्पेण युक्तं भवन्ति. फल फूल अनेक, sorry, I write as फूल, so I know why. अनेक पुष्पेण फलेन च युक्तं भवन्ति.
Okay. Vasante, but first, sarvani nahi. Vriksha is pullinga.
I had done sarve vriksha.
Sarve vriksha, full sentence.
Vasante या वसंते ऋतौ सर्वे वृक्षा लताश्च and फलवन्तः पुष्पवन्तश्च भवन्ति.
So yeah, this is correct also. See, why have you done vriksha and where is the visarga? Should it not be vrikshaha? Ramaha Ramau, Ramaha, Vrikshaha Vrikshau, Vrikshaha. Where did the visarga go?
Yeah, visarga. There should be visarga.
No, there should not be visarga. You are correct. Why is there no visarga?
लोप हो गया इसलिए. बाद में लताश्च है.
हाँ, लकार. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बिगिनिंग विथ लकार ना, तो विसर्ग लोप हो जाता है. आशीच सूत्र. वसंते सर्वे वृक्षा लताश्च. देन व्हाट डिड यू से आबाजी?
फलवन्तः
फलवन्तः. व्हाट प्रत्यय?
नॉट वन्तः, वन्तश्च.
ठीक है, वन्तश्च. हाँ, but what pratyay is here? Why have we done palavantaha? How did you come to palavantaha or pushpavantaha?
फलों से भरे को intuitively.
Intuitively. What is the method? Why palavantaha? Why pushpavantaha? What is the reasoning for? Why can't we say like Sundarji said? Sundari, what did you say?
Yukta के लिए I used vantah शब्द.
अनेक पुष्पेण फलान, because you have to say फूल. फल फूलों से.
पुष्पेण फलेन.
पुष्पेण फलेन च युक्तं भवन्ति.
But फलेन is which we?
I did a translation like फूलों से युक्त, फलों से युक्त को फलवन्तः पुष्पवन्तः. That is how I did.
But vantaha is not yuktaha, na? Why you could have done phala yuktaha? Why you palavantaha? Phala yuktaha, phul yuktaha, pushpa yuktaha, you can say, right? Why phalavantaha? It's not wrong. I'm asking why you did that.
Vantah ऐसे शब्द we did in the past exercises. It did come from somewhere in my mind.
Phalavantaha is coming from
Vantaha will be Bhagavat.
Samyak. So which pratyaya will that be?
भगवत रूपा बहुवचनम, राइट?
हाँ
भगवन्तः।
हाँ ठीक है, तो प्रत्यय किं कस्मिन् प्रत्यय अस्ति? मतुप. That's the reasoning. हाँ, the reasoning is there is matup pratyay here. फलवान, पुष्पवान. और यहाँ पे सर्वे वृक्षाः लताः, तो वृक्षाः लताः बहुवचनम. So फलवान will become फलवान, फलवन्तौ, फलवन्तः. That is the reasoning. Not intuitively. You have to give the reasoning. वसन्ते सर्वे वृक्षा लताश्च फलवन्तः पुष्पवन्तश्च भवन्ति. Separately you can say फलेन युक्तः, फलेन पुष्पेण च युक्तः सन्ति. That's okay. But if you say फलवन्तः पुष्पवन्तः, it is correct. But unless we identify that as matup pratyaya, it is not clear. Matup is that tree will have, basically. Matup is possessive, na? Tad asya asti. That has it. Vriksha has phal or pool. Lata has phal or pool. So it is, you can say phalavanta pushpavanta. Okay, one more question on this.
As per the sentence, it is not giving that bhava. So I actually should not have used, hai na?
Yeah. Technically speaking, I mean, if you want to do as it says, then like Sundarji said, phalena yukta, pushpena yukta is the right way. But if you it is not wrong to use matup here. But we have to use why matup is there. Now that we have to understand. Not like that. Like if the matup is used and then bahuvachanam matup is there, then it makes sense. But otherwise, not acceptable. But it's good. It's correct at least. Okay, one more question. Sabhi vriksha or lata. Vriksha is pullinga. Lata is which lakara? Which linga?
Strilinga.
So but then, so vrikshaha lataha cha. In that way we said. Both we just did. Bahuvachanam of vriksha and bahuvachanam of lata. Vriksha latasha. In matu pratyaya, Abaji, that's another question. Why you did pushpavantaha? What about if you do matu pratyaya, pushpavati, pushpavatyau, pushpavatyaha? है ना? Pushpavati matup will be following nadi shabda for strilinga. That's not correct. स्त्रीलिंग में ई लगाकर नदी के तुल्य, तो नदी नद्यो नद्यः ना, तो पुष्पवती पुष्पवत्यो पुष्पवत्यः. Why did you say pushpavantah?
I did it exactly like phalavantah.
Okay, so there is a sutra here. There is a rule that when two similar things are taken together, but they are different linga, and one is pullinga and one is strilinga, then the rule, the visheshana will be pullinga. Jaise brahmana and brahmani, if you take, or whatever, kukkutaha and kukkuti, if you take, you can say kukkutaha kukkuti grihavantaha or grihavante, grihavantau staha. They have a house. These two, those two, that is pullinga and strilinga. You can use that kriyapada or visheshana or whatever, that in terms of the pullinga. This is a sutra. This sutra is Puman something. Puman Striyaha or something. Puma.
We also did one, if there were three,
Striya,
including Napunsakalinga, then we should take something else, right?
That was before. That was that when many are there, then that hierarchy, that we did in the Purva Abhyasa. But in this context, you see, this is what Kashika also says. Kukutasya kukuticha will become kukutau. If it was Strilinga, this will not be kukutau, na? Nadi, like Rama Rame. But it is becoming Ramaha Ramau, Kukutaha Kukutau. It is just following the Pullinga form. Tallakshanaschedeva Vishesha ityeva Kukutasya Mayuricha Kukuta Mayuryau. It will not happen. It is only going to happen in what is similar. Kukuta and Kukuti are similar.
Yeah. Is it also under this category?
Which one?
Pitarau.
Pitarau, Samyak, correct. Mata Pitarau you take, na? Right. But Pitarau, there is that other Rupa that in Samasa that we saw that they take it in that Ekashesha Dvandva. Right? Ekashesha Dvandva, they had used the word. So there Pitarau you take, but the logic is similar. It's not really very different. Ekashesha Dvandva they had taken for Pitarau. Vrikshascha Vrikshau. Mata Pitara. Satyam. So Puman Striya. This is the sutra. Astu anyway, agre. Okay, any questions until here? Is everything okay? We had a little confusion with Tritiya also. Okay. Chaturtha.
Very good. This is good.
Okay. Chaturtha. ग्रीष्म ऋतु में आतपः बहु उग्र होती है संस्कृत भाषायाम.
So ग्रीष्म ऋतु होगा ग्रीष्म ऋतु में.
ठीक है. Then
therefore the atapah should also take the same form.
Why?
तो ग्रीष्म ऋतु में का ही form will it be like that?
Atapa is dhupa, sunlight. So ग्रीष्म ऋतु आतपः
so ग्रीष्म ऋतु में आतपः अति उग्र भवति.
अति उग्र शब्द है पुल्लिंग.
अति उग्र को हम अत्युग्र कह सकते हैं संधि से.
सम्यक. अत्युग्रः और अत्युग्रो also you can take with that hashicha thing. अत्युग्रो
उग्रः
भवति. उग्रः उग्रो whatever with pullinga. Panchama will be how? See, one more thing. You don't have to take Grishma Ritau. You can just say Grishme. That's also okay. Like how he said Vasante. Vasanta में सभी वृक्ष. Vasante बस. So Vasante or Vasanta Ritau or Grishme or Grishma Ritau. Both are okay. What about Panchama? Varsha Ritu में.
Varshe.
नहीं.
Like that अगर करें.
No.
Varshaha. No?
Not Varshaha. Varsha is which linga firstly?
Strilingi.
Strilinga. So Varsha. नहीं. Varsha Strilinga Saptami Ekavachanam. Rama Strilinga Saptami Ekavachanam. Kim?
Is Ramabhyam, no? Ramabhyam.
No.
Ramayam.
Ramayaha.
Ramayam, right?
Ramayaha. Ramayam. Sorry. Ramayam. Varshayam.
Ramayam.
So Varshayam. Then what?
Vrishtihi adhika
Adhikam santi.
होती है. For होती है we can also say jayate.
Vardhati, bhavati, vartate, whatever. But jayate sometimes is for being born. It will come out of that like that. So vartate etc. is better word. Jayate is acceptable, not the best word. vrishtihi adhika, you can take ati vrishtihi, na? Just like you took ati ugra.
अति वृष्टि ही,
हाँ, अति
अति
वृष्टि.
वृष्टि ही.
हाँ,
और अगर वृष्टि अधिक हम कहते हैं तो इट विल बिकम वृष्टिर अधिक.
correct. Vrishti radhika is say better is
वृष्टिर नहीं साउंड करना चाहिए.
हाँ, but adhika शब्द is, that is why ati is there, you know. Ati and another word bahu also you can take. Bahu ugro.
Bahu, yeah. I was thinking along Bahu line.
हाँ.
Lot of rain.
हाँ, बाहु उग्रो जैसे बहु वृष्टि ही, बहु वृष्टि रस्ती, बस वर्षायाम बहु वृष्टि रस्ती. षष्ठ शरद ऋतु. So Sharad also is Strilinga, huh? So now what? Acha, there is an easy way. You can take Varshartau instead of thinking, which Dinga and all it is. Just do Varshartau with Samasa Varshartau. Adgunaha, Sandhi. With Sandhi Varshartau, not Varsharitau, Varshartau. Varshartau Ati Vrishti Rasti, Bahu Vrishti Rasti. And Sharad.
So Sharad we said was Strilinga, right?
हाँ, but see the sentence.
Yeah. So Sharad is Ritu se.
हाँ, not Ritu में. So
Not Ritu me. So therefore Sharad Ritu se. So therefore Sharad Rityaha.
Ritoho.
Ritya, right? Ramaya, like that.
Ritoho. Rituhu is Pullinga. Sharad Ritu is Pullinga. So you can just take Sharad Ritoho. Like Guru. Guru, Panchami Ekvachanam is what? Guroho.
Yeah.
यहाँ से शरद ऋतु से पंचमी फ्रॉम शरद ऋतु. तो शरद ऋतु हो. और शरद is स्त्रीलिंग. Sharad will be like Upanishad. Upanishad Panchami Ekachanam. Kim?
Upanishadyaha.
Upanishadaha. That's all. Sharadaha. शरदः. तो शरद ऋतु हो. हाँ, अथवा शरदः. देन शीतः. देन शुरू होती है को क्या बोल सकते हैं?
आरंभ.
प्रारभ्यते.
हाँ, आरभ्यते. हाँ, और आरभते. दैट्स ऑल. व्हाई यकार विल नॉट कम ना. आरभते. शीतो आरभते.
या
प्रारभते, whatever. हाँ, you can add or not add. Arabhate is good. Prarabhate is correct, but it is confusing. Like sometimes Arabdham asti, they will say Prarabdham asti. Here Prarabdham does not mean Prarabdha, like karma and all. Prarabdha, if Prarabdha is like Arabdha, then it means start. So Prarabhate is correct, but confusing. सप्तमा, हेमंत ऋतु में ठंड बढ़ती है. तो फर्स्ट आई विल से हेमंते और हेमंत ऋतौ बिकॉज इट इज पुल्लिंग ओनली. देन व्हाट? शीतः. देन वर्धते. सम्यक. गुड. वर्धते. सम्यक. अष्टम, शिशिर में हिमम गिरता है. हाँ, होल थिंग.
शिशिरे.
हाँ,
हिमपातः या हिमपातम बिकॉज क्रिया हो रही है.
हिमपात.
हिमपात होता
अच्छा,
है.
हिमपातम भवति.
अत्यधिक होती है. हिमपातम भवति. शीतम अत्यधिकम भवति.
सम्यक आवाजी. व्हाई नॉट? It is not the most obvious way, but it is correct. Himapatam bhavati. Here you did what? Which samasa have you done? हिमपातम किसका पात हो रहा है? हिम का पात. तो विच समास?
हिमका.
हाँ.
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष.
सम्यक. हाँ, that's all.
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष.
हाँ. हिमपातम. So either you can say himapatam bhavati or himam patati. Network is bad.
Himam patati.
हाँ, himam patati.
No.
हाँ.
Saying grammar I'm not able to pick up.
हाँ.
ऐसे intuitively शब्द आते हैं.
हाँ.
But have to work on the grammar.
हाँ, you have to. That's true. No, but that's okay. See, what you said was not wrong, but the way the method is not clear. That's all. More reading of Sanskrit has helped this because we read all the Sanskrit and granthas, but the method is not clear. That's okay. Shishire himam patati. That is okay. Or himapatam bhavati. Then what? आगे.
शीतम अत्यधिक भवति.
Here they have given शीतः ना ऊपर षष्ठ सेंटेंस में क्या दिया है? शीतः.
So शीतम, right?
नहीं, शीतः only ना. Why शीतम?
शीतम.
Why शीतम? शीता अधिक होता है बस.
Correct.
शीतश्च अधिको अस्ति. Three sandhis we can do in this. शीतश्च अधिको अस्ति और अधिकम अस्ति. Whatever. शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखेषु समसंग विवर्जितः. Not शीतम उष्णञ्च. शीतोष्ण. O has come from visarga. Then navama.
शीतोधिक करते हैं.
हाँ. नवमा. राम शिवदत्त से अधिक चतुर पटु कृष. चतुर पटु and all same only, but okay, they have asked, so we can take.
चतुरतरः पटुतरः कृषतरः ऐसे, right? कृषतरः लघुतरः. That part is easy.
हाँ, चतुरतरः, not चतुरतरः.
चतुरतरः.
हाँ.
रेफार हो जाएगा र, right?
हाँ जी. हाँ जी. हाँ. चतुरतरः. सम्यक. हाँ. Then.
रामः शिवदत्तात्.
सम्यक. So here.
This is like यज्ञदत्तात्.
हाँ,
it is
same.
like second sentence.
Correct.
उदाहरणवाक्य.
Correct. Same thing. So
रामः शिवदत्तात्.
Can we say here Ramo Shivadattat?
No, Ramah.
Okay, no is correct, but why no? Ramo, there is a sutra. But we saw this sutra, right, in Sandhi. Ramaha Shivadattat, instead of Ramaha Shivadattat, like how Ramaha, that is Devadattaha Yajnadattat. So you can take as Devadatto Yajnadattat, whatever. Or Ramo Krishnat. तो वहाँ पे हो सकता है क्या?
Okay, so U, the visarga has becoming U. Is it first?
O,
That's
not U,
Sandhi?
not U. O kara, not U.
Initially U, and then with joining with E, it will become O.
नहीं, visarga will become O only. Visarga will never become U. Visarga is going to become O. U नहीं होगा. You should see the rules. But there is a optional. Ramaha and Shiva, Shakara, when it comes, you can do Ish. Ramash, you can say. Ramaha Shivadattat, Ramash Shivadattat. This is an optional. Va Shari. Va is there. Athava. Either you do or you don't do. No problem. Va Shari. But where did you get Visarga will become Ukara? Visarga won't become Ukara, only Okara. You see the end, अंत में जो संधि हैं, Visarga Sandhi mein, in that page that they have given at the end. You'll have to see later. Visarjaniyasya saha. There, Visarga will become Sakara. You can hear me, right? I've turned off the video because of to preserve the bandwidth.
Yeah, we can hear. Do you have a page number in the book?
218. Dvishatam Ashtadasha. Did you find it?
Yes, I'm on that page.
Hanji. So first one is what? Which sutra is the first sutra? You only tell Abaji.
विसर्जनीयस्य सह.
तो यहाँ पे विसर्ग को क्या हो जाता है?
रामः तिष्ठति became sa. Ramas tishtati.
So visarga became saha, sakara, right? विसर्जनीयस्य saha.
After sa,
हाँ.
and what is in front? जैसे च है तो श हो गया.
जो भी, हाँ, श हो गया, करेक्ट. स और श, सम्यक. So दूसरे, द्वितीय.
उत्व संधि.
उसके नीचे.
ससोजुषो रुहु.
ससजुषो रुहु. हाँ, उसमें क्या हुआ है?
अंत में स को.
हाँ, नहीं, नीचे लास्ट देखिए. ससजुषो रुहु के लिए पेज में, पृष्ठ में अंतिम 4 पंक्ति, वो है एग्जाम्पल.
हरि ही प्लस अवदत्त.
हाँ, तो उसमें क्या हुआ है?
So the हरि ही अवदत्त, हरि रवदत्त.
विसर्ग became
र.
हाँ, र. विसर्ग becomes स और श और र. अस्तु. अग्रे अतो रो रप्लुता दप्लुते में क्या हुआ है?
दप्लुते में रामः अस्ति. ओ हुआ है.
ओ हुआ है. ऊ नहीं, ओ है ना. सो आइदर, आइदर स और श और र और ओ. और हशीच में क्या हुआ है? अग्रे 219.
हशीच में रस्व अ के बाद रू हो तो र हलंत हो गया है या विसर्ग हो गया है, ऐसा कहा है.
हाँ, नो एग्जाम्पल ठीक होगी. हाँ,
ओके. रामः वन्द्यः, रामो वन्द्यः.
विसर्ग
has become
ओकार, नॉट उकार. अस्तु. अग्रे अग्रे
यत्व संधि.
हाँ, वहाँ पे क्या हुआ है?
देवाः गच्छन्ति.
नो, सूत्र
जो विसर्ग का लोप.
सूत्र नाम किम?
सूत्र भो भगो अघो.
भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य.
हाँ, भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य यो अशी. हाँ, आबाजी, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड देयर? देवाः गच्छन्ति को
लोप.
विसर्ग लोप. सम्यक. सो आइदर सकार और शकार और रकार ओकार लोप. एतद्दोः सुलोपो कोर नए समासे हलि. यहाँ भी लोप. ओनली फॉर स एंड एष शब्दस. नाउ इन ऑल दीज संधिस उकार इज नेवर देयर. Visarga never becomes u. Either sa, sha, also is possible, given that takara will come later, or ra, or o, or lopa. Ukara nahi. तो ओकार हो सकता है. Coming back to our अभ्यास. रामः शिवदत्तात्. तो अत्र there is one more sandhi. Sorry, acha, I came back. There is one more optional sandhi in the next page. Page number 221. 221 में संधि नंबर 26 षड्विंशति वाशरी. हाँ, वहाँ पे क्या है? हरि ही शेते, हरि शेते या हरि ही शेते. विसर्ग कुछ कार्य नहीं, वो भी ठीक है. और there will be कार्य and shakara will come. Harishchete. Right? And then you see the third example. क्या है? और सेकंड
रामः शेते,
हाँ राम,
रामः शेते will become रामः शेते.
हाँ तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, रामः शिवदत्तात्, सेम श, ये
रामः शिवदत्ता.
अत्रापि
श
श,
will become double.
और
E will become E.
नहीं ई कुछ नहीं होगा, राम शिवदत्त बस आइदर,
Exactly. Sh will become double. E will remain E.
हाँ.
So रामः शिवदत्ता.
करेक्ट, और रामः शिवदत्तात् कुछ संधिकारी का आवश्यक नहीं है.
तो रामः शिवदत्ता.
हाँ.
Like that.
यस,
बट रामो शिवदत्तात् नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं होगा, ये मेरे सवाल था. सत्यम, सो दैट वाज माय क्वेश्चन. विल इट बिकम रामो शिवदत्तात्? नो, बिकॉज शकार के पहले ओकार विल नॉट कम. शकार के पहले ईश अथवा कुछ कार्य नहीं, वैसे ही होगा.
आकर जी क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ जी.
संधि that we talk see उत्व संधि,
हाँ.
विसर्ग संधि के बाद,
हाँ.
उसका कार्य क्या है? What does उत्व संधि?
र पहले तो ससजुषो रुहु, उत्व इज कमिंग फ्रॉम रू. रू मतलब रकार, र को रू बोलते हैं हम, और उत्व में रू जो हरि रवदत्त, हरि ही और अवदत्त, वो क्या होता है, रकार विल कम इन द मिडल, हरि रवदत्त, और गुरु अवदत्त, तो गुरु रवदत्त, that rakara has come. The second half of that utva sandhi is atorora plutad aplute. Atrapi visarga will become okara. Here Ramaha asti. Here will become Ramo asti. So prathama okara, and then beginning shabda in the second. आरभमान शब्द, अकारांत शब्द, द्वितीय शब्द. इफ देर इज एन अकारांत शब्द, देन दैट अ विल बिकम अवग्रह. इन हरिरव, इन ससजुषोरुहु विसर्ग इज बिकमिंग रकार, दैट्स ऑल. बट इन अतोर और अप्लुतादुप्ले देयर आर टू कार्यस. फर्स्ट कार्य विसर्ग विल बिकम ओ, एंड सेकंड अकार विल बिकम अवग्रह, खंडाकार.
So I will tell you where this O thing came into my mind was.
हाँ जी.
If we look at Ramah Astu, the way I had processed was Ramah का जो विसर्ग है वो पहले O में convert हो जाता है. Then it becomes O plus A, therefore it becomes O.
ठीक है.
This is how I had done the processing.
हाँ.
तो इससे मुझे वो O याद आया.
ये ऊ कहाँ से आ रहा है? रू से आ रहा है. ये जो विसर्ग या इर बोलते हैं ना हम, विसर्ग बोलते हैं ना हम, विसर्ग को प्रथम इर हो जाता है. ये इर को व्याकरण में रू बोलते हैं हम. तो ये रू में ऊ होता है ना, तो ऊ को ओ हो जाता है. बट दिस ऊ इज ओनली एन इंटरमीडिएट स्टेप. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी द एंड ऑफ द विसर्ग इटसेल्फ. हाँ जी. सो ऊ इज ओके, बट इट विल नॉट बिकम ऊ, इट विल बिकम ओ ओनली इन संधिकार. Okay. Agre Dashama. Today we're taking longer, but we can go fast now because it's all easy. Dashama.
मह्यम.
हाँ जी, मह्यम.
मह्यम धनिकात्.
हाँ.
धनिकात् विद्वानः प्रियतरः.
विद्वान
प्रियतरः.
प्रियतरः. ओके. और प्रियतरोस्ति वितातोरो और अप्लुतादप्लुते प्रियतरः अस्ति. जनरली स्पीकिंग मह्यम इज करेक्ट. मुझे मतलब मह्यम ही सम्यक अस्ति. इट इज करेक्ट. बट हियर प्रियतर शब्द इज कमिंग. प्रियतर, मोर लव. सो हियर we'll say I have more love, na? Not मेरे लिए more love. I have. So here in this context we will take mama. But mujhe is mahyam only. Because the sentence is like this. Mama. Shashti.
Mama.
हाँ. Mama priyatarah asti. That's why Bhagavan also says, right? Priyata, ज्ञानी के बारे में Which chapter is that? Saptama Adhyaye. Udara sarva evaite ज्ञानी तो आत्मैवमेवकम आस्ति तस्य युक्तात्मा मामेवानुत्तमांगतिम. उसके पहले आर्तो जिज्ञासाति ज्ञानी च वर्जन तेषां ज्ञानी नित्ययुक्ता एकभक्त विषय प्रियो ही ज्ञानिनोत्यर्थम अहम सच मम प्रियः. सॉरी, वहां पे नहीं है, बट मे बी भाष्य विल हैव विथ प्रिय तरह प्रत्यय के साथ जनरली मामा विल कम, नॉट मह्यम, इवन दो मुझे इज मह्यम ओनली. एकादश धनात् विद्या. then
can we say श्रेष्ठतरः?
श्रेष्ठतरः के the thinking is good, but there is a better word than श्रेष्ठतरः. श्रेष्ठ में already you are putting ishtan. Ishtan में you are putting tarap. Instead of that you can only put one pratyaya and finish the job. Which pratyaya? तरप के साथ which one comes?
तरप के साथ येसुन.
हाँ, you can put yesun.
Yesun.
हाँ, yesun will become.
So it will become shreshta, and then it will become.
No, wait.
Or something.
Wait. श्रेष्ठ में इष्टन है. श्र इष्ट श्रेष्ठ. हाँ.
Correct.
तो
that's enough, right?
तो श्रेय इज इनफ. श्रेष्ठ इज फॉर तमप ना, सबसे बहुना में कहा. यशुन श्रेय. हाँ, तो बिकॉज इट इज विद्या इज स्त्रीलिंग, यू विल हैव टू से श्रेयसी. धनात् विद्या श्रेयसी और धनात् विद्या प्रशस्य तरह अस्ति. द्वादश विद्या से भी बुद्धि प्रशस्य तरह अस्ति. तो विद्यात् करेक्ट है क्या? विद्यायाः. सम्यक. विद्यायाः. देन
अपि बुद्धिः प्रशस्यतरः अस्ति.
श्रेयः अस्ति.
हाँ, श्रेयः अस्ति. विद्यायाः अपि बुद्धि प्रशस्यतरा और श्रेयसी अस्ति. त्रयोदश.
This is where we get it wrong.
हाँ, that's okay. You know, this is all a bit difficult anyway. It's okay. त्रयोदश.
हरिश्चंद्रः.
हाँ.
रामचंद्रात् लघुतरः.
सम्यक. देन
अपि या अपि, राइट?
अपि
एंड के च. ओके, कम लेटर. देवदत्तः रामचंद्रान् गुरुतरः च अस्ति.
चंद्रात् तकार. चंद्रात्. रामचंद्रात्.
लाइक यज्ञदत्तात्.
सत्यम. हाँ, सम्यक. हरिश्चंद्र रामचंद्रात् लघुतरोस्ति. And then this second guy, where are we? हाँ, this देवदत्तः च. हाँ, नहीं, यहाँ पे च आएगा.
देवदत्तो रामचंद्रात्.
नहीं, देवदत्तश्च. चकार. च has to come somewhere ना, और से च. देवदत्तश्च रामचंद्रात्. हाँ,
गुरुतरः.
ठीक है.
अस्ति. गुरुतरोस्ति.
ठीक है. गुरुतरोस्ति और महत् also is okay. महत्तरोस्ति will also be. सम्यक. चतुर्दश वैदिक धर्मः. This much I said. Then
सर्वधर्मेषु.
सम्यक. बहु सम्यक. सर्वधर्मेषु. With which समास? सर्वधर्मेषु.
तत्पुरुष.
Which तत्पुरुष? हाँ, which तत्पुरुष?
पुरुष है ना?
सम्यक, बहु सम्यक.
सब धर्मों में.
हाँ,
सर्वधर्मेषु.
हाँ, beautiful word. Then
प्राचीनतमः.
correct. हाँ, that's okay. प्राचीनतमो अस्ति. प्राचीनतमः अस्ति. वैदिकधर्मः सर्वधर्मेषु प्राचीनतमोऽस्ति. बहु सम्यक्. Then 15.
साम्यवादः
हाँ,
सर्वेषां
हाँ,
नूतन
हाँ.
वादः अस्ति, वादोऽस्ति.
So सर्वेषु नूतनवादोऽस्ति. सम्यक्, नूतनवादोऽस्ति. हाँ, then 16.
हरिश्चन्द्रः सर्वेषां सब में.
हरिश्चन्द्रः
सर्वेषु महत्तम.
What Mahatama what?
दानी.
This is little tough, huh? Mahatama Dani. Dani is the main point here.
Yeah, let's go there.
So Dani should get thumb up, no?
Oh, okay.
Everybody is a Dani. This person is the biggest Dani. सबसे बड़ा दानी था.
So it should be उदारतमः.
सम्यक. उदारतमो. Then
उदारतमो अस्ति.
आसीत्.
So we will do both. महत्तरः उदारतमो both.
Why महत्तरः? नहीं, महत्तमः की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay.
उदारतमो is enough. और
So we will do महत् उदारतमो. Like that?
नहीं, उदारतम. Udara is Dani, right? Udaraha means Dani. You see the shabad. हाँ.
Sorry. So महान और दानी दोनों को मिलाकर उदारतमः.
हाँ, उदारतमः बस. Or you can take, if udaratama, because udaratama is not so common, right? Udaraha is okay. Udaratama is not very common. So you can take like something like Sarvadani, Sarvashreshta Dhani, or Sarvashreshta Dhani is okay. Shreshta में Ishtan होता है ना. So tamap के बाद, tamap के अलावा we are doing Ishtan instead of tamap. So Shreshta will bring, and then you'll just take Dani. Sarvashreshta Dani asti, but what Sundarji said is better. Huh? Udara tamo asti. This is the ideal one. Agre Saptadasha. राजाओं में दुर्योधन सबसे अधिक कृपण था.
राजसु दुर्योधनः कृपणातमः.
राजसु दुर्योधनः
कृपणातमः आसीत्.
कृपणतमो आसीत्. कृपणतमो आसीत्. But if कृपणतमो, you have to check if that's a word at all. कृपणतमो. You can take something like ठीक है, कृपणतमो आसीत्. दुष्टतमो आसीत्. Anyway, कृपणतमो आसीत्. Okay. Then
that is the word given in the exercise, right, for miserly.
But kripanatamaha, I think it will work. Yeah, why shouldn't it work? That's okay. Kripanatamo asit. Okay, then next one.
Like udaratamaha we did kripanatamaha.
हाँ, that's all. उदारतम जैसे कृपणतम. Then अष्टादश. न्याय.
Yeah. I mean, परिमाणुः अल्पतमो अस्ति.
परमाणु. हाँ, परमाणुः अल्पतमो अस्ति.
अल्पतमो अस्ति.
सम्यक्. सूक्ष्मतमो अस्ति. अल्पतमो अस्ति. Okay. Agre.
Yeah, because that is the word given in our exercise.
Correct.
That सूक्ष्म was not only alpa.
Correct. But
सबसे छोटा है तो this doesn't seem like a complete sentence.
सबसे छोटा परमाणु है ना न्याय दर्शन में.
हाँ, परमाणु is okay, अल्पतमो is also okay, but सबसे का भी कुछ आना चाहिए ना.
वही तमा ना, तमप. ठीक है, सर्वेषु यू जस्ट ऐड सर्वेषु अल्पतमो अस्ति, ठीक है. बट सी अल्पतमो itself is enough because तम प्रत्यय में सर्व का अर्थ हो जाता है. We are saying अल्पतम, so it has to mean multiple ना. It is implied. अल्पतमो अस्ति. Some we'll see some Gita or Upanishad, some vakya with tama pratyaya and see if sarva something is there or not. That's the way. Like even in this maybe we can check, right? This Atishayane Tamabhishtano mein, that is a sutra, right? Atishayane Tamabhishtano, and then we go to Prayoga. Where is Prayoga? Prayoga was in Shabda. So Shabda mein नहीं होगा. I think this shabda, you have to find a very peculiar kind of shabda for tamap. You have to search a bit, but if we search,
we will take the shabda that we just did ना, हमने जो शब्द बनाया लघुतमः,
हाँ,
उसका प्रयोग देख सकते हैं.
हाँ, प्रयोग देख सकते हैं, but what you have to check is whether in this when लघु, हाँ, सर्व का सर्वेशाम सर्वेषु जो भी, if something happening or not, that is the question. Gita में tama will be tamas only many times. I can't find it, but we have to check. Laghu tamaha. Oh, whatever. See, here you take na. The sixth udaharan vakya in Sanskrit. Last udaharan vakya in Sanskrit. Shyama chatrasu patutama. Not sarveshu patutama and all. So there chatra is given. Here it is only.
Suppose we say Shama patutama asti.
हाँ,
तो किसमें पटुतमा अस्ति?
तो वहाँ, हाँ, बट परमाणु किस में होगा? श्यामा तो किसी में भी, श्यामा कैन बी स्टूडेंट और श्यामा कैन बी टीचर, श्यामा कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो देयर दे हैव मेंशन. परमाणु तो एक ही होता है ना. परमाणु मतलब दैट ओनली, दैट यूनिट. ठीक है. सर्वेषु अणे अणोहो वट अणौ, सर्वेषु अणौ अल्पतमो अस्ति. अल्पतमो अस्ति. सम्यक्. 19.
Okay, let's move on.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ऑलरेडी डिड सुंदर जी. 19. हाँ, yes, moved on. Move on to 19. What is 19? नवग्रहेषु.
नवग्रहे.
हाँ, सर्वेषु नवग्रहेषु.
नवग्रहेषु.
हाँ,
आदित्यः.
हाँ,
आदित्यः बहुतमः.
महत्तमः is better.
महत्तमः. महत्तमः.
Okay.
आसीत्, of course, but yeah, और है.
बस बस.
So
अस्ति.
अस्ति. So
अस्ति. हाँ हाँ, correct. Then 20.
स्त्रियाः.
हाँ,
स्त्रियाः.
हाँ,
स्वरं.
स्वरः. हाँ, then स्वरो.
स्वरः.
हाँ,
स्त्रियाः स्वरो.
हाँ,
मृदुत्तमो
हाँ,
अस्ति.
सम्यक्. करेक्ट. देन 21. 21.
शशकः. शशकः.
बेचारा. भीरुतमः. सम्यक्.
भीरुत्तमः.
हाँ, भीरुतमः. भीरुतमः. हाँ, भीरुतमः पशुरस्ति. सर्वेषां पशूनां ये भीरुतमः पशुरस्ति. हाँ, देन डरपोक बेचारे. हाँ, 22. सरस्वती. देन
सरस्वती. Again it's they're given here, no, Vidutama asti.
so if you have to add sarva, then which will you add for Saraswati?
Saraswati, it will be सर्वा
स्त्रीलिंग सप्तमी और षष्ठी बहुवचनम. षष्ठी और सप्तमी
सर्वे
नहीं. सर्वे इज पुल्लिंग सप्तमी एकवचनम. स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचनम. ओके. स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी बहुवचनम is सर्वासाम. ओके.
सर्वासाम या सर्वासाम.
And सप्तमी बहुवचनम
Or
is
it is सर्वा or is it सर्वासु?
सत्यम. सर्वासु. सर्वे सर्वासाम सर्वासु विद्वत्तमा. विद्वत्तमा अस्ति, नॉट
Yeah,
तमः.
Tama. Correct. It is given there.
सम्यक्. त्रयोविंशति.
So you said no Grishme.
हाँ जी, ग्रीष्मे. सम्यक्. देन
So that is that Grishme.
और ग्रीष्म ऋतौ. हाँ. देन
Then will be Dinah.
दिनम नपुंसकलिंग.
Dinam.
हाँ. देन
Napumsakalinga. Yeah. So it is all Dinam and then so बहुत बहुत बड़ा होता है. So therefore that is our
सबसे बड़ा ना. सबसे बड़ा.
So therefore Mahatama.
सम्यक्. महत्तमम. महत्तमा और तमः और व्हाट?
No, it will be not Mahattamam. It should be right.
No, ग्रीष्म ऋतु it will follow. ग्रीष्म ऋतु
It will follow.
you're doing कर्तृवाच्य ना. ग्रीष्म ऋतु is पुल्लिंग. Then महत्तमः.
Yeah. So therefore it's Mahattama.
महत्तमः.
Mahattamah.
हाँ. Then what?
Wait, sorry, my page has disappeared.
Okay. Page number 117. एकशतं सप्तदश. Okay. See, then शिशिरे च. और कोऽपि अन्य. शिशिरे च रात्रिः. विद्वत्तमा. Not विद्वत्तमा. This
No, again, yeah. No.
गुरुतमः.
हाँ ठीक है. गुरुतमा और महत्तमा. whatever. हाँ अस्ति. सम्यक्. और लास्ट वन गुड. गुड इज गुड ओनली in Sanskrit. गुडः. So गुडः.
Guda.
गुडा नहीं, गुडः.
Guda.
हाँ.
गुडः.
Then what?
मधुतमः.
मधुर.
मधुरतमः अस्ति.
हाँ. सर्वेषु मधुरतमो अस्ति. Then
सर्वेषु मधुरतमो अस्ति. विष सबसे अधिक कटु होता है. विष इज
विषम.
विषम. सर्वेषु
कटु.
कटु. कटुतमः.
हाँ.
कटुतमश्च कहेंगे.
सम्यक्. नहीं, विषम च. विषम च सर्वे.
विषम च कटुतमः अस्ति. मतलब कटुतमो अस्ति.
सम्यक्. 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 Then अभ्यास लास्ट. 1 minute we'll just do and finish off. लास्ट चतुर्थ. इन शब्दों से तरप और तमप प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाओ. वही वाक्य भी है. तो पटु. पटुतरः. And or otherwise what? Patutarah is equal to what?
Patutarah would be equal to Patiyan.
Samyak. And if I were to say Guru Tara, then it will be equal to
Gariyan.
Guru Tara.
Guru Tara. So therefore that is Strilinga. So
Gariyasi.
Gariyasi.
हाँ जी.
Gariyasi.
नदी के तुल्य. Okay. So मृदु मृदुतरः, कटु कटुतरः, मधु मधुरतरः, मधुरा. And same tama tama. Instead of tara, you put tama. There's nothing, there's no great logic and all to this. Priya, priyatama, priyatara. The slightly more difficult one will be for the ajadi pratyaya. Iyasun and ishtan. So priya will become preyaha. Shreyascha, preyascha, preyaha. That will be for iyasun, preyas. And then for ishtan, preshtha, like shrestha. So there will be some differences there. वाक्य बनाओ फाइनल, एनी वन शब्द, एनी वन वाक्य.
Okay, we've done so many of these.
Something different, something that we should think of, you know.
Yeah, something we should think of. So Preyat Shreya Patutara.
Okay, Preyat, but Shreya and Preya are not by themselves smart, right? They do not have any.
One is better than the other. That's all that we are saying, right here.
No, Patutara will be Patu.
Right?
Patu means intelligent, like that.
Intelligent.
It's okay. Shreyaha, you can take Shreyaha as Bahuvrihi Samasa. Shreyo asti Shreyaha. Something you take.
Okay. So
Shreshtavan. Shreshtavan. Preshtava. Vattaha. Patutara asti. Something like that. Okay. One is better than other. Patutara, Lagutara, Priyatara, Dushtatara, or Patutama, Gurutama, Madhuratama, whatever, Tama Pratyay. One good exercise would be to see the same words. We don't have time today, but then we can see later. Same words in Iyasun or Ishtan, how they will go. That is a good exercise for later. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.